Hello friends, today we are going to look at another project made by me, or you can say another web page made by me in JavaScript, and it is named as handgun. And actually this is not that innovative, but one day I was just thinking about it. What happens if I just make my fingers as a gun? So you can have a look at it. So I know it is not working very perfectly, but you can see it is not that perfect, but you can easily see how it functions here. Okay, so let us look at the code and how to implement such things in JavaScript. I know it is not that it's not looking that better, but you have to look at the code to feel the essence of this. So you can create multiple things with that. It was just an example, it is just a trailer, and you can use multiple things. Use this in multiple things, multiple codes. Okay, so it is our same code canvas, and now we have the same code for HTML here also, so there is nothing different. Okay, it is very simple, you can easily understand it. So the main code is for JavaScript, and you can see that JavaScript code is also not that much. So first two lines, these are just ad hoc lines, you cannot you can skip them for now. And now we are going to start from the basics from this. So cur variable, I have a cur variable. So I need to show you what you have to do first. First you have to take some images. Okay, so I took 5 images. Actually I took 4 images, and this 5th image and first image is actually the same. So these images you have to take intelligently. In order to, you have to think in the field of animation, you have to think in frames, and that's how you can create a good effect. And you have download a bullet here, it is a transparent, and then there is a sound, gun sound. You have to download a gun sound in order to feel the same effect. Okay, so let's move to code. So here you can see the cur is equal to 1, and the cur, cur means current, it stores the current image. So if cur is equal to 1, the image is 1, cur is equal to 2, the image is 2, and so on. And the second variable is my variable, and this my variable is used to restart the gun. Okay, so there might be a condition that I have shooted once and I want to shoot again at that instant. Then what my function should do is to forget about the previous shooting and continue the current shooting. Okay, so my where is used for that. Okay, if you are not familiar with this thing, then you will be in the subsequent period of time. So this is my function, the basic function. So first I will look at those things which are not functions. So this is starting from there. So the starting will be cur will be equal to should be equal to actually 1. I had this as 2, set this as 2, so now it should work fine. You can see, okay, you can see that, okay, this is fine. Now the starting is fine. There are some glitches, but starting is fine. So starting image should be the first image where cur should, this means cur is equal to 1, and then the function again is called, and what the function again does is draws the images on the canvas. Okay, the first thing it does is where image is equal to new image, it is a new image, and what should be the name of that image? Just use the current. So if current is equal to 1, so the location of that image will be images folder /1.jpg, because I saved them as 1.jpg, 2.jpg, and so on. That's why it is so much easy. And in the subsequent line, I have set the source of this image object to be that text. So this is our source. Whenever this image will be loaded, so what we should do is draw the image 0 0 canvas width, canvas height. Okay, so we have to draw our image, full image of our hand and the background wall, and fit it to the canvas. So this is the way you do it. Okay, and second image should be the image of a gun, image of a gunshot bullet, and where img2 is a variable of image, but its name is img2 and it's not img. So the src of that is actually perfectly known, so we don't have to store it in any different variable like we did using cur. So here we know that the source for the bullet is bullet.png. so whenever this image will be loaded, we just draw the image at a particular position, and so currently cur is equal to 0 1, the first cur is equal to 1, and as cur is equal to 1, so this will be equal to 0, and this will be equal to, so 150 minus 45, 275, 50 50. So you can see that, so 150. So I will show you. So if it is 0, so it should always appear at a, so you can see that it's always appearing here. Okay, so there are some problems with that. Okay, what happens if I remove the these things? So you should see that. What happens if I remove these things? It's working perfectly fine even if we remove these things. So it was not that necessary. Okay, so what we need to do is, every time we have to, as the time passes by, we have to move that bullet to the left side. Okay, and that is why we just use the values for current and minus current times. So I use 45. Let's look at this. So you can also use current -1, and let's look at what happens. It is working the same way, so that's okay for us. So we are just drawing these images every time, and here if current not equal to 5, that means if current is not equal to 5, then we will increment the image number, and if current is equal to 5, then what we need to do is reset the image number to 1. Okay, so and then we have to just have to clear the interval. And what clear interval malware will do is that remove this animation from our program. Okay, so this is our clear interval malware. Okay, and we will talk about malware just now. So then we have a add event listener function, mouse down, and what it does is it sets the current to 1 again if it is not set, and variable audio, it set the audio to the new audio of the gun and just plays that audio. It's simple, you know about it, and it clears the old malware. So the old animation is cleared now, and it sets current again to 1. And now comes our main function. It's a set interval for again and calls it every 100 milliseconds. Okay, and that's how we perform a basic animation in JavaScript, and this animation is actually event driven.